This is the GRV Fitness Tracker, and you don't need an app for it. It doesn't have Bluetooth. You just charge it and go. It is that simple. Now, all you need is a USB charger, and then you can charge it. The charge is gonna last 5 to 7 days. It even can stand by for 30 days. And what you're gonna receive is this watch band, and here is the fitness tracker. So it takes about 2 hours to charge, and I already had started charging it, and I've already set up the time as well. It's so good because you can do your steps. It also can track your sleep, also your calories burned. You're going to input your height, your weight, if you're female or male, and your stride length too. And that's how it's going to calculate what your stride steps are per day. Now, let me show you a close-up of what this looks like. Here's a close-up of the fitness tracker, and it's very easy to remove. You just take this out of the package, just like that. And this is the fitness tracker. You're going to remove this outer layer, and then you're going to put this onto a USB charger. And that's how simple it is. And I've already set the day and time. And it also shows your strides and how much distance you've gone, your calories burned, and also your sleep. And this is the settings. So when you hold it down, it opens up the settings, and the first one is date. So you would hold it down again, and that's time, and you can set the time. So everything is done by holding it down for about 3 seconds. So when you go into your settings, it will show you how to set the date, the time, what sex you are, also your age and your height, your weight, and your stride length. Now, it's very simple to charge. You're gonna just use a USB receiver and put it into the port. And then when you put it into the outlet, you'll see it being charged. So right now I have it charging, and it's also very easy to put it into this watch band. So you're gonna take it out of the charger. After it's done charging, you're going to put it into this watch band. And this is how you put it in. You slip it in backwards, and just like this, put it in all the way. And then you're going to put it here and stretch it like this, and then it clips on just like that. And then you're able to put it onto your wrist. Perfect. This is an excellent fitness tracker, and it's also very affordable too, and very stylish as well. Now, this is in black, however, they have other colors to choose from as well. And very simple to use. All you have to do is charge, set, and go. And to get about 10,000 steps a day is what you should strive for, and that is about 5 miles. If you're more sedentary, you might see your measurement being from 1,000 to 3,000 steps a day. But it really will motivate you to get up and start getting your steps in. So I really like that. And this is by GRV Fitness Tracker. This is perfect for men, women, adults, and children too. And definitely recommend it for your fitness needs. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.